Seriously, people think I am very dramatic, but I am only providing an emotional performance with sound effects. You call it noise, I call it me updating you on everything with opinions and background music. Huskies were bred to work in teams, so we talk a lot. I narrate everything like your loud little roommate. Plus, I am smart and I get bored fast, so if you ignore me, I will start a little drama to get your attention. So yes, I am the drama king, but I am also your funniest roommate. Comment your dog breed.